A recent Windows 11 update is raising red flags after reports surfaced of failing drives and data being lost. We'll break down the report to see why drives are suddenly becoming unreadable and how you can mitigate the risk of it happening to you as we sit down and sync up with Rocket IT's weekly technology update. I'm Chris Swinson, Technology Insider here at Rocket IT, and this is Sync Up, your home for the latest tech news. Last week, a well-known PC builder in Japan noticed something unusual. After installing August's security update for Windows 11, certain solid-state drives started disappearing from the computers during heavy use. The result created issues like hard drives vanishing from File Explorer and files they thought were safe suddenly becoming unreadable. During their testing, a restart would sometimes bring the drives back. Other times, the data couldn't be recovered, making this issue a huge concern. The first reports pointed to Phison branded controllers, which are small chips inside of many popular SSDs to help manage data. Other reports now suggest the problem also affects drives from SanDisk, Corsair, and more. If you've never heard of Phison, they're one of the world's major suppliers of SSD controllers, which means this isn't just about one or two drives, it could impact a wide range of popular models. The original report speculates it could be a memory issue, where Windows struggles to handle very large file transfers, putting unusual stress on certain drives, especially ones that are already more than 60% full. Microsoft hasn't confirmed this, but they're actively investigating with partners. They've also asked customers who experienced this issue to file reports through Microsoft Support or the Feedback Hub so they can better understand whether this is a widespread problem or just isolated cases. Now, what should you do in the meantime? For now, the best advice is to avoid moving or extracting extremely large files in one go. Instead of transferring 50 or 100 gigabytes all at once, split the process into smaller chunks when possible. It's also a good idea to keep regular backups of important data so you're protected if something does go wrong. If your organization isn't confident in these safeguards, Rocket IT can help. From setting up reliable backups to ensuring your updates don't disrupt your team, we'll make sure your data stays protected until Microsoft rolls out a permanent fix. For help, reach out using the link in this video's description, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell to catch us on next week's episode of Sync Up with Rocket IT.